The Samsung Galaxy S10. What's in the box? Let's find out. Dave Taylor here, and AT&T was super kind in sending me the Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the biggest of the Galaxy S10 line. I thought it'd be really fun to do an unboxing, so let's have a look and see what's inside. And while we're doing that, I will tell you a little bit. There's actually a piece stuck to the top. I will tell you a little bit about what's going on here. Let's see if we can get this to come out. It wants to come out. So first piece of our unboxing, is that we have this, and it is the instructions, and it comes with the little SIM removal key. Now, what I have here, this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. And it is IP68 water resistant. It has no top notch. Let's see if I can get this thing to power on. Should be charged. Here we go. So it has no top notch. Instead, it has a couple little holes on the side that are intended for the front-facing cameras. Plural. Yes, it has a ton of cameras. There are two forward-facing cameras, a 10 megapixel selfie camera, and an 8 megapixel RGB depth camera. And then you look on the back, and the back has three cameras. Holy moly. A 12 megapixel telephoto, a 12 megapixel wide angle, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide. Sheesh. It records 720p HD video at 30 frames per second. Very nice. So there's lots to like about it. It has the Samsung edge-to-edge screen, very pretty, and it's basically ready for me to configure. So you know what? Let's take this little plastic off. There's the back, and there's an "It Can Wait" sticker on the front. So there we go. There's the front. So there we go, not the most inspiring graphic, but this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And let's see, what else can I tell you about it? At its base configuration, it's an 8 megapixel RAM and 128 gig storage, or you can get 512 gig storage, or you can get the Ultra Edition, which is, that's actually not the name. It's 12 gig RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Holy moly. And then you can put in a 512 gig micro SD. That is a crazy amount of storage for a phone. But then again, that's a crazy price tag. We'll get there in a little bit. So, also has a dual SIM option, which is fantastic. Oh, look, we have a new screen. Running Android Pie 9.0, has the in-display, actually built into the display, there's a fingerprint sensor. Obviously, I don't have it set up yet because I just opened the box. And so there's a little confusion before I get to the next piece of the box. There's a little bit of confusion about what the deal is with the different S10s. So here's how this works. The S10e is a 5.8 inch screen. The S10 is a 6.1 inch screen. And this shiny baby, the S10 Plus, is a 6.4 inch screen. So if you want the biggest possible size, that's what this is, and this is the S10 Plus. Okay, in the box, we have the Samsung Fast Charge charger, and you're gonna want this because the S10 Plus has a whopping 41 milliamp hour, almost said megahertz, 4100 milliamp hour battery, which is gonna give you a whole day worth of charging. And much more fun, the back is actually a Qi charging pad. So you can charge other people's phones or your headphones if you have wireless charging on your headphones. That's a pretty cool feature. I don't know how much people will use it in practice, but it's kind of a fun idea. Let's see, it's powered by, actually I don't know what CPU it has inside of it, so I'll get that in the review. But this is a 6.4 inch on the S10 Plus. Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED, and it's running at 3040 by 1440, which is 522 pixels per inch, which is really high density. It's an absolutely stunning screen. Even just right now, just looking at the little screens that come up for a couple of seconds, because it really wants me to actually configure the phone. Haven't done that yet. It's also HDR10 Plus certified, so it's giving you that really deep black and a really rich color palette. It's all gonna look really good. Okay, Wi-Fi 6. That's about the only other thing I can tell you about it. And it comes in 6 different colors: black, white, green, blue, and then there's like this slate black and slate white. So lots of different color choices, but let's get back to the box. So we have the charger, and like I said, we need it because we have a big battery. We have this interesting doohickey, which is a USB-C to regular USB adapter, which is nice because when we look on the edges of the phone, when we get to the bottom, number one, 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah, thank you, Samsung. And USB-C for charging. All right, that works too. Obviously, it also does wireless charging. So, you know, you got your options there. And then let's see what else is in the box. There's 2 more things in the box. There is, let's see, there's this mystery container, which I will open up. And I don't see how to open it. You know what? Sorry, AT&T, I'm just gonna open it because it's supposed to be opened. Aha! This is the USB-C charging cable. And as you might expect, it has a regular USB on one end and USB-C on the other. No breaking news there. This will fit into this, and you will be ready to rock and roll and charge it if you don't have a wireless charger. The much more interesting thing here are these earbuds. And these are the AKG, I guess the high fidelity earbuds. Now, when Samsung first made this phone available, they actually had a promo running where you could actually get the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which were their true wireless stereo earbuds. Now, that was only for like the first, I don't know, 1,000, 5,000 orders. Apparently, the one I got is not that. So this one has a beautiful phone. Nothing to complain about with the phone other than maybe that it has a Bixby button, but now you can remap it if you're not a Bixby fan. But it does come with these very nice AKG earbuds, which I'm eager to open up and try. But hey, this was an unboxing. So, in the box, we have a plastic piece, we have a lid, we have the phone, obviously the most important piece, we have this USB-C to USB 3 adapter, we have the power cord as you would expect, we have these AKG earbuds, we have the SIM removal tool, and in this container, I'm sure we're gonna have like a getting started booklet and such. The one thing that Samsung hasn't done yet, which I think they should do, they should just totally copy Apple, right? And it should come with a Samsung sticker, right? Because every time you buy an Apple product, it comes with an Apple sticker. It's kind of fun. So Samsung, put a sticker in the box. Otherwise, that's all I got. This is the absolutely gorgeous Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, I'm going to tell you the price range, and then again, I'm going to do a full review, so stay tuned. I just wanted to get this up and online as soon as I got this product, so I'm really excited about this. But before I tell you the price structure, and you're going to be a little bit intimidated by that, let me ask if you can subscribe to my channel, because hey, you don't want to miss my review of this phone, right? Cool. Now, here's the prices. At its most base level, the S10 Plus, and I'm talking about the biggest of the 3 screens, the S10 Plus at its basic configuration is $999.99, and you can max this thing out, and that gets you 12 gig of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. That's just a lot of darn storage for a smartphone, but that will set you back a pretty staggering $15.99. This is where paying monthly is your friend, because $1,500 for a smartphone? Holy moly, when we had those flip phones back in the day, we never would have thought people would be paying $1,500 for something that sticks in their pocket. Crazy. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, super gorgeous looking phone. Really excited to put it through its paces, so please come back and check out my review. This is Dave Taylor, and I will catch you in my next video.